I think IPT will have quite a big effect on the future electric vehicle market, because I think that purchasers of electric vehicles will see cable-less charging as being a big advantage.
Wireless charging is a fabulous technology where by putting some infrastructure in the road and some hardware on the vehicle can pick up power wirelessly by just parking over the hardware.
It's very much like the system that's used to charge toothbrushes, where there's no direct cable connection, but you can charge a toothbrush by standing it on a holder. That just transfers a few watts over a few millimeters. Our system will transfer kilowatts over hundreds of millimeters.
It's completely hands-free and is a convenient method of charging where the user just sets and forgets the system. They just drive their vehicle, they park at home, they park at the supermarket, they park at their place of work, and they just pick up a charge.
It may not seem such a great problem to have to plug a car in, and it probably isn't on a nice sunny day in London, but if it's raining, if it's cold, if you've got the kids, you've got the shopping, you arrive home late at night, it's very easy to kind of forget that you've got to plug your car in and come out the next morning and realise that you haven't done it. Whereas with induction charging, you just park your car and your car will charge at whatever it's pre-programmed to do.
So there's no hassle, there's no associated danger of tripping over the cable, there's no question of forgetting to plug it in because it's raining and you need to get the children inside quickly. All of those problems are taken away if we have cable-less charging.
By having wireless charging and by having a ubiquity of charging opportunities and keeping the battery topped up, we think that people will see the electric car as a real viable alternative. We can remove range anxiety, we can remove charge anxiety, and we can reduce the cost of electric vehicles, so people can make an informed decision as to whether they want to buy an electric vehicle versus a combustion engine.
The potential for inductive charging is not only a very, very convenient way to charge cars statically, it does have this great future for potential to charge cars whilst they're moving, and that will completely transform electric vehicles.
The great thing too is that in doing so we can also move the energy back into the grid where it belongs. So rather than having cars carrying all this energy around with them and these expensive heavy batteries, we reduce the size of the battery, make the car lighter, cheaper, better performing, whilst also delivering all that range. The technology's here, it's ready, and we can deploy it now.